Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing from Madam Glam. I have a few gels in this box and I'm going to show you what all I received in the box and how I'm going to use it. So if you're not familiar with Madam Glam, I'll let you know a little bit about these gels. So they're salon quality gels. They're carefully sourced. They're vegan and cruelty free. They're also 21 free formula, which means that it's free from the 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polish, which is great because, we're putting this on our body and, what goes on our body is absorbed into our body. I'm showing you what I received in my box. So originally I chose 3 gels from the website, which I showed the first one, which was the pot gel. So it's black. It's good for doing nail art designs, if you're doing outlines, character, line work, anything that you need a thicker gel for, that's a perfect one. I also chose the Dalmatian Gel, which has specks of glitter and black in it to give a Dalmatian effect. And then I also chose one of the jelly colors that is it's like a semi-gray color. So here is a lamp that came with everything, which is great. And it also came with a base coat, a top coat, and this really cool glitter matte top coat, which I've never seen before. How cute is this little lamp? It's so compact. And it comes with instructions. So personally, I would use this lamp just to flash cure my nails, and then I would put my nails into a bigger lamp afterwards. But for you, if you're doing a home gel manicure, you could just use this. Just make sure that you cure your nails all the way through. Here, I'm going to show you the glitter top coat. It's a matte top coat. It is so freaking pretty. I've never seen a glitter matte top coat. Maybe I've been living under a rock, but I'm happy that this was included in the gel polishes I received. Next, we have the Dalmatian gel. So this you would put over top of a color, or you could even leave a neutral base, but I would put a color underneath. Do You Copy is the grayish jelly color that I chose, which I thought was really fun and a great color for fall. And here's the black gel paint. You see it comes in a little pot. It's very thick. This is perfect for doing nail art with. Alright guys, now moving forward, I'm going to show you a simple nail art tutorial with some of the gels I received. So I went ahead and put some temporary nails on just to give my nails some length there. So I'm going to go in and start with the base coat, and I'm going to walk you through step by step so that way you can do this at home if you'd like to. So I'm going to go ahead and put the base coat on all of my nails. And we're going to pretend that, I prepped my nails beforehand. So if you're at home, make sure you go through all the steps to prep your nails, which will be, push back your cuticle, buff your nail, dehydrate your nail. You can even throw a little primer on there, and then you'll go in with your base coat, and then you'll cure your base coat. And by doing all those steps I just mentioned, it's going to give you the most out of your manicure, or even if you have some sort of extension on, so you can get 2 to 4 weeks wear time by taking all of those steps. I'm turning on my mini lamp, putting my nails underneath, but as you can see, only the 4 nails really fit underneath of there, so you can move it around, hold it over top. But what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to flash cure my nails. And flash curing is, doing 10-20 seconds to, semi-harden the nails and cure it in place. And then I'm going to put it in my big lamp where I'm going to do a full 60-second cure to make sure that the gel is, good to go. Now I'm going to go in with Do You Copy, which is that transparent gray color. And I'm going to do a few coats of this because it is very sheer, but also it is a, one of those transparent jelly colors, so it's meant to be sheer. All right, and now I'm going to cure again under the lamp, but also please note that I am curing it in my bigger lamp outside of the video. Okay, and now I'm going to add my next layer of the Do You Copy. And there we go, cure one more time. And that is the final layer of Do You Copy that I'm going to use. Now I'm going to go in with the Dalmatian, I don't even know what this would be called, I don't know, a glitter gel maybe? And it's like a artsy glitter gel. So when you're applying this, I noticed that it's easier to kind of dab around the gel and let it self-level. With this gel, I would go in with maybe 2 coats just so you get a lot of the Dalmatian glitter pieces on there. It also does have some shimmer in there to give it some, dimension. Now, if you were using this gel on very short natural nails, I would recommend maybe pouring a little bit into a palette and taking a nail art brush and putting it on your nails. That way you'll be able to get more product on there and you'll have more of the Dalmatian, look, effect, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm trying to say here. So I actually went in with 2 coats. I didn't film the second layer, but this is what it looks like after 2 coats on my nails. This is such a fun little glitter top coat. I'm just gonna call it glitter top coat. All right, so I could just leave my nails how they are because I think they do look really cute. They're like minimalist, like chic, right? I don't know. Comment below and let me know what you think. But, if you know me, which maybe you do, maybe you don't, I'm like more is better. So we're just going to add a little something more, but still keep it simple. So I'm going to go in with this black gel. I'm just going to use my liner brush, and I'm just going to outline like a French tip basically, but very thin along the edge. So you already know I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the same thing to all of my other nails. If you're liking how this nail design is coming out so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more nail art tutorials and unboxings, go ahead and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at Your Nail Plug with an X at the end, where I do short videos of tutorials, how-tos, design, and nail inspos. You can find all of these products that I'm using today on madamglam.com, and I will leave the link below for you to receive 30% off your order. If you click the link, it'll take you directly to the website, and you can choose pay as you go, where you do not have to sign up for a VIP membership, and you can use my code YourNailPlugX30 for 30% off your purchase. Okay, I have done the outline on all of my nails and I've cured them, so now I'm just going to go in with the final touch, which is some top coat. So I am just going to use the regular glossy top coat. I'm not going to use the glitter matte top coat, but if you watch to the very end, I will do a swatch of how that does look. Okay, here's the finished product. As you can see, it has that Dalmatian, the transparent, a little glitter shimmer in the back, the black outline. This design is perfect for fall, in my opinion. And lastly, as mentioned, here is this really cool glitter matte top coat that I want to show you guys how it looks. So I used the black gel base, and now I'm just going to put this over top. Look at all that sparkle. So pretty. I don't know, do you guys love glitter as much as I do? Because I feel like you have to put glitter in everything, even if it's a little tiny bit. A dash of glitter makes you so much happier. And you already know what to do. Go ahead and turn that lamp on, cure it, and we're gonna wait and wait and wait, and boom. Here's the final results. Let me know what you think about everything below. Thanks for watching, bye.